Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what's in this box. This is the Ubiquiti Dream router. Now when this came out, this sort of somewhat confused me because you would have already seen the Ubiquiti Dream machine. It looks like this. Well, this is actually the Dream router. The only thing is the Dream machine is more expensive than the Dream router, but the Dream router does more. So anyway, we'll go through probably why, but I'm going to show you what's in the box to start with. So obviously you're going to get the device itself, which we'll have a look at in a minute. You're going to get your customary QR code, how to get started guide. You are going to get a little conformity guide that you can see there. And you are going to get probably a 2-meter power cable. It's just a 2 input there. And this has actually got an early model here, so this end here has the European power connector on the end, but hopefully it has the power connector you need for your region. Then this is the device itself. So let me just hold you this up so you can have a look at the front. Let me turn this round so you can have a look at the back. We've got the internet connection down here at the bottom. We've got our SD, micro SD slot at the top, and then we've got 4 other Ethernet ports, 2 of which actually provide PoE power, which is pretty cool. All right, and obviously we have our power in here at the bottom. And then on the top here, hopefully I've got the logo the right way up. There we go. This is our wireless access point. This all lights up in some pretty fashion for you. So really, let me just give you an idea. This probably is going to be a fantastic device. It's a wireless 6 access point already. Okay, it's 4x4 in 2.4 gigahertz and in 5 gigahertz and the Wi-Fi 6 side of things. It runs Unify OS, so it can run actually, in fact, all of the applications. It can run Identity, Phone, Protect, Network, and Access, all on here, which is very different to the previous model, the Dream Machine. What this has not got is it's not got any onboard storage. I think it's 128 gig of console control, so obviously for running unified network and everything else like that. But if you're wanting to run the cameras from this, then you're going to need to upgrade it, which is why we've got our micro SD slot up the top there, and that's going to give you whichever amount of storage expansion you want. Now, I don't think this is probably going to be fantastic for loads of cameras because obviously there are limitations of reading and writing to SD cards, but fantastic starting point. What I'm probably most excited about the fact is that we do have 2 PoE powered ports on the back. That makes this router way more useful because now I can have my 1 access point that's built into this, and I can run an Ethernet cable out to another room and put another access point on the ceiling or run it up to the next floor. And now this truly gives me everything that I need. Obviously, this is going to do PPPoE session for you or straight Ethernet in. It's not got a broadband modem of any type for FTTC or NBN or anything else like that. So do bear that in mind. This is a router, but you do have the ability to run the Ubiquiti console products as well. So you can run your network and power it if you like the cloud key built in. You can run it and run Unify Protect, which is the cameras. You're just going to need some storage upgrade there on the back. So hopefully that's been useful. That's the Ubiquiti Dream router. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. Plenty more box openings on wireless networking and firewall devices. How to set up Unify Protect or how to set up Unify Network. We've got how-to guides there. We've also got guides on how to secure your network with firewall appliances and switching information as well. So do subscribe and stay up to date.